Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Week Time. The Lego Friends Pet Adoption Cafe set. This is the perfect set to fit into the main street, and I have actually rebuilt mine to fit into my main street. I kept that little bike because I really liked it. So let's take a look and see how I've rebuilt mine. It's on a 16 by 16 base plate like all the main street buildings are on. I tiled the front, but I've only made it 7 studs deep there. I added these extra coloured tiles in just to give extra details and colour, and the little front door mat here. I liked the look of the original, so I kept that colour scheme going and the stripy walls. I kept the tap out the front so the doggies have somewhere to drink. The inverted slopes here are for the roof at the front and the sign. And this is what it looks like on the side of the build, and it is 9 studs deep. So that's the same on this side, and I made it like that so I could still do the roof at the front and do the cat and dog sign, as you'll see. So that's what it looks like on the base plate. I wanted to keep the little garden bits, so I'm putting them at the front. Just added some extra flowers in, and then there's the little droplets of water there. And same on this side. I think that looks good, and it just adds extra colour. I added some leaves onto the vines and some flowers for extra colour and texture, and same up here. I'll just move it so you can see that open sign. And on the front here I added the masonry brick like they have on the main street with the flowers to tie it all in. And I love the Adopt Me sign, so that's going in, and a fire hydrant for the doggies to sniff. Now it's the sign. So this is how I have made it so it fits this build. And I wanted to use up as many of the parts as I could from the set. So this is how I had to kind of rework it to fit up here. And that's how it goes on, and that's why the inverted slopes underneath had to face the outside, not the inside of the building. So that is the front there done. It's looking so cute. Turn it around because we need to do the interior fit out now. Because it's a cafe, I wanted to add a few extra bits of food, so we got a sandwich and a croissant. I liked the coffee maker and the drink station, so I kept that the same. That just goes here on the back wall. Popping in these studs or studded tiles, and then the front counter here. So here's all the biscuits and the cash register, and I have no doggy or cat biscuits here. I separated it. I did not like that in the original set. Just a little front doormat here. Olivia's come along and she's already working behind the counter. Now I made a little treat dispenser, so the bickies for the cats and dogs. Used the little box there and filled it with bones, so you can come here and buy some treats for your pets. Here is the pet food stand. Nice and easy build, so you can come along and buy some pet food as well. And the little sign here of the kitty and doggy. Oh, it's looking so cute. And I've made it on the green base plate to make it look like AstroTurf inside. Now, level 2. I liked the stripy theme, so I kept that going. And those 3 windows are actually from the beach vacation house I had left over. I thought they worked perfect here. I've added in the vines at the top for extra colour, and the yellow up here as well for more colour. And this is what it looks like on here. So it's on an 8 by 16 plate, the second story. Added in windows on the side for extra light and to save on bricks too. Now this is what the interior looks like. the cat stand, chair and everything from the original I kept because I really liked it. And I thought, why not stick an aquarium in? We've got some seahorses in here. That's from Ariel's Treasures set that I had spare. And I used that slopey bit there because I had that left over. We're going to put the turtle in here. Little hamster. I made a little stand for the bird because we're going to have birds as well for adoption. Pop the little cute kitty in and the Scottish dog. I'm not going to do voiceover for that. Lots of happy pets need homes, and let's pop level 2 on top of here. Oh, look how cute it looks. I love the purple and the magenta stripy walls. Love it. But I have made a rooftop garden. This is the rooftop garden. AstroTurf again, lots of fake grass. I continued on the same colour scheme, added in the flowers there. That's like a Technic brick there. I have textured bricks for more detailing. The slopey roof bricks were left over from the set, so I thought I'll use them up here. That's what it looks like on the side. And I tiled the top to smooth it all out and just added in flowers for extra details. Time to fill up the rooftop deck with some things, and I liked the table and chairs set that came with the set. So they're going up here so you can enjoy the view and have a cupcake, and you can wash your puppy dog up here, so that's why I've made that little tap. There's the dog in the big tub going up here, and some flowers for more colour and the little doggy ball. But I thought, why not put a tree up here? So let's build this simple tree, and it will give lots of needed shade for the rooftop garden. There's the tree done, and it needs to go over here in the corner, and we've got lots of shade now on the rooftop deck. Time to put it on top of the building, and oh my goodness, look at this. This is going to fit perfect in the main street. Priyanka has found some animals, and oh, poor little baby, that needs to go somewhere else. So we got Scooby, we got cute little kitty there, I saw Snowball, more cats, dogs, all needing a loving home, and my cat shouldn't be there. Andrea and Liz have come to visit Olivia at work. Little Henry is playing with the puppy dogs. And we're all having a great time on the rooftop garden. And this is how it looks like amongst the Main Street buildings. So it fits in very well. The Lego Friends Pet Adoption Cafe, my version rebuild to fit the main street. This set is perfect to fit into the main street, and this is just to give you some ideas on how you can reuse your sets that you have to make it fit in with a little city. And this is the perfect size building for it. I hope I've given you ideas on how to rebuild yours. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building, get creative.